Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to create this logo. Let's start the video. Now, create a new composition. Rename it render and preset I like to choose here. Okay, for duration, I choose 10 seconds. Click OK. Now, drag the logo into project and right click, Recomposition. Rename it logo. Check on move all attributes. Now make sure you are not select on logo layer. Go to rectangle tool. For fill, set color to be white. Click OK. And stroke, set color to be none. OK. And now double click on rectangle tool. Press letter P and move sublayer to the left side. Okay, now we drag here. Okay, click on the stopwatch and then move timeline forward around 4 seconds and right click, reset. And now select on logo layer and track matte. If you cannot see track matte, just find here. Okay, and now select on alpha matte. Okay, go to effect and preset and choose turbulent matte. Turbulent. Okay, turbulent display. On save. For amount, set 200. Size, set only 20. And complexity, set 10. Okay, now go to effect and preset and search for mode shake. Okay, now set horizontal 100 and vertical 50. Now select on both layers and right click Recomposition. Name it logo Unveiling. Okay, select on move all attribute. Click OK. Now select on logo and go to effect and preset. Choose fill. Okay, set color to be white and go to edit, choose duplicate or Ctrl D to duplicate. Now select on track matte, choose alpha inverted. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now move this layer forward to be 1, 2, 3 frames. Yes, again 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now go to effect and preset, choose mini max. For channel, choose alpha and color and radius set 3. For operation, choose minimum. Okay, now we can see it's good. And then select both layer and Recomposition. Set it logo scan. Logo scan. And check on move all attribute. Okay, go to project panel and drag logo Unveiling into layer. And for logo scan mode, we choose screen mode. Okay, now go to effect and control and then choose CC glass. Now choose property to be alpha and softness, set it 1. Height, set it -50, and distance and displacement, set it 200. Okay, that's good. Go to displacement, search to displacement map. Okay, displacement map, logo scan, and horizontal, set it 100, vertical, set it 0. Control D to duplicate, and horizontal, set it 200. And then now go to effect and preset and search for colorama. Okay, colorama in here. For colorama input, set layer, logo scan, and here around 40 degree. Okay, 40, yes, something like that. Output, I like to choose user call. Okay, for modify, uncheck modify. Yes, it is good. Now click preview. Okay, that is good. After that, we go to effect and preset and search for glow. Now the first glow, for glow radius, I set 50. Control D to duplicate and set glow radius to be 200. Control D to duplicate and set glow radius to 500. Okay, that's good. Now, yes, press B here and go here, press N. Let's quick preview. Okay, that is good for me. Now go to select and name it BG and choose color the same to logo, and now I set it to deep, yes, deep red color. Click OK, click OK. Yes, move it. Okay. Now go to effect and preset, search for drop shadow. Drop shadow. Okay. For direction, set it 180, and distance, set it 30. Yes. For softness, set it 100. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. For you want to change color for background, set for BG and go to layer and select setting and set it to more deep red color. Okay, yes, that is good for me. Okay, that's good. Okay, for you want to change any logo, just go to project and go to logo composition. Now you can change any logo. For example, my logo, set here, press S to scale, make it the same size to current logo. Okay, it is good, and hide current logo. Now you can change logo automatically. Okay, you can change any color for background. Go to layer and select setting, and now choose this color and set it to deep blue color. Yeah. Okay, that is finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more tutorial. Thank you.